Welcome to Planet Mojo. A quick update here. We did not go to town last night, so I did not get the benches. They canceled the track meet, so I didn't get the material for the benches. So I'm still stuck on that, but this came last night. This is the Wavy Hair Grass plugs that I bought. So it is pretty obvious that the seed that I got was it was pretty much crap. It didn't grow. So I'm gonna toss this. Not real sure what to do with this. It's an awesome looking grass. This gets quite large, and it's got like purpley flowers, and when it's planted in a mass planting, it waves in the wind. Really cool grass. I wanted a lot more of it than this, but I guess I can't find seeds anywhere. I looked all over the internet. There's some that you can get from Europe, from Britain actually, but I don't know if you can even buy those online. So it's either wait till next year and try to get seeds again, try to get seeds from this, or buy more plugs next year, because I want a fairly large grouping of this. And these are $5 a pop if you buy 5 of them. Otherwise they're like, I think they're like $7 for one of these. So I really can't afford to do a big planting. You know, I can't spend hundreds of dollars on one type of grass. Just no way I'm doing that. So I'm not really sure what to do with these. I can put them right in the ground the way they are, but I believe it's a little bit too early. But maybe not. The place that these came from is not that far from here, actually. It's, you know, maybe 100 miles, but it's north of here. So they say that they have unheated greenhouses and everything goes dormant in the winter, and they, you know, just ship it in the spring when it's about time to plant. So I believe even if we do have a frost, that these are going to be fine, you know, like the other grass around here. So maybe I'll put these into the ground. I'm going to read up a little more on it, and if I can put them in the ground, I'm going to put them in the ground right away when I plant the Walnut Grove over here, which I'll be going to check out in a couple minutes. I think I will put these. They like shade, and they won't flower if they're not in the shade. So that area is fairly shady. At least it is now under the big walnut. So I think I'll go back. There's that rock bluff right there. I'm going to try to get this stuff in around the rocks and just do a decorative planting for now and try to get some seeds this fall. And then next year, we'll see what the situation is. Also, wanted to point out that this is what it came packed in. It was packed very well, but I haven't seen this stuff in ages. This is Excelsior, which is, it's just shredded wood. They just gouge along the edge of wood and make these long strips. This is aspen, which is what, I got a ton of aspen back there. It's a fairly worthless wood, except if you got a chipping plant or an Excelsior plant somewhere near where your aspen is growing. But this stuff will just get tossed into the garden and tilled in, which is pretty cool. I like biodegradable packing material. They did a good job on that. And this was from Prairie Nursery in Wisconsin. I don't know if they have their name on the tag. Oh, looks like they got a bit of instruction on there. 1 to 2 feet high, partial shade, medium moisture, dry sand, loam clay. Grown by Prairie Nursery, Westfield, Wisconsin, 53964. I do believe that Prairie Nursery restored an Oak Savanna, or maybe it's another one that I'm thinking of. I'll look before I post this video and let you know. And I'll put their address in the comments. And I'll put their address down below. So that's about it. I'm going to toss this, and for now, I guess I'm just going to keep these watered and in the greenhouse and do some checking on that, and possibly plant them when I plant the Prairie Smoke, the bottle brush grass, which is this here, and some of the other stuff over in the Bluff area. So that'll wrap up this short little video. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see updates on all this stuff, make sure you subscribe, click the update icon, and have yourself a great day.